Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix crashing and freezing issue with Scorn game on your Windows computer. So even if you have installed the game from Xbox app or if you bought it from Steam, you can follow the steps from here. So I have provided separate steps for Xbox Game Pass user. So for Xbox Game Pass user, I provided separate step. So the first step is to restart your computer. So just simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart, launch the game. Still you're facing the problem, then do a clean installation of your graphics driver. Now if you have Nvidia card, go to Nvidia website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for Nvidia. On Nvidia website, select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here and then select the right operating system. So if you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. Now click on Start Search. Scroll down. Over here you can see GeForce Game Ready driver. This is the latest one right now. So click on Get Download. Click on Download now. Now once the download is complete, run the exe file, and then you will see the screen. Click on Agree and Continue, and then put a check on the box which says Custom, and then click on Next, and then put a check on the box which says Perform a clean installation, and then click on Next. Now let the installation complete. Now after the installation, your driver should be up to date. Now the next step is to put DX11 in launch option. For this is for Steam users. So go to Steam, make a right click on the Scorn game. Now I have the game on Xbox app, I don't have it on Steam, so I'll show you with another game. So make a right click on the Scorn game, select properties, and in the launch option type in -DX11 and then launch the game. If that does not work, you can type in -DX12 and then check. So try DX11 first and then check. If that does not work, you can type in -DX12, and if nothing works, you can simply remove it and then check. Now the next step is to run the game as an administrator. So for this, go to the game installation folder. For Steam users, make a right click on the Scorn game. I am showing you with another game. You can run the game as an administrator by going to the game installation folder. So make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will straight away take you to the game installation folder. Open the game folder. Over here you will find the game exe file. I'm showing you with another game. This is just an example. Make a right click on the game and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator. Put a check over here, then click on apply, click on OK, and then make a double click on the game exe file and then launch the game as an administrator. I'll show you how to do it for Xbox Game Pass user. Now the next step is to delete the save game file. Now this will result in loss of game progress, so you have to start it from scratch. So to delete the save game file, open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, open users folder. Now open your username folder. Now open app data. If you don't see app data, click on view on the top and then put a check on the box which says hidden items. If you have Windows 11, somewhere over here you will see view. Click on view, select show, and then put a check on hidden items. Open app data. Now open the local folder. Now over here you can see Scorn folder. Make a right click and then click on delete. And once you delete the save game file, now launch the game. Next step is to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. Now if you're using Windows security, then open Windows settings. Now if you have Windows 11, you will have an option privacy and security. If you have Windows 10, click on update and security. Now click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Now click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Now click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now if the game is installed in C drive, go to this PC, open C drive. Now open program files x86. Now open the Steam folder. Now open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder. Over here you will find the game folder. Now wherever the game is installed, in my case I have installed the game from Xbox app. So I'll just show you an example. I did not buy the game on Steam. So once you open the common folder, this is just an example I'm showing you with another game. So open the game folder and then find the game exe file. So select the game exe file. This is just an example, and then click on open. Once the game is added over here, now launch the game. Now the next step is for laptop users with dual graphic card. Make sure that you run the game on dedicated graphic card. And then click on browse. Now again go to the game installation folder, select the game folder, click on add. Now once the game is added over here, this is just an example, click on options, select high performance, now click on save and then launch the game. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Download x86. Then run this exe file. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. You might see the install option, click on install. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Now download x64 version. Now again run this exe file. Now again if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. So click on repair or install, whatever you see, click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Make sure both the installation are complete. Now once done, click on restart. Make sure that you restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to install Media Feature Pack. Now if you're using N version of Windows, then install Media Feature Pack. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Again, it will take you to Microsoft website. For Windows 10 users, open Windows settings and then go to apps and then go to apps and features. And then click on optional features and then click on add a feature, and over here type in Media Feature Pack and then you will see Media Feature Pack over here. Put a check in the box and then click on install. I don't have Windows N edition, so I don't have Media Feature Pack over here. Now if you have Windows N edition, you will find Media Feature Pack. Now if you have Windows 11 N edition, in that case you can go to settings, apps and features, optional features, then click on view features, then click on add in optional features and then type in Media Feature Pack, select it, install it, then restart your computer and then launch the game. Or you can simply switch to normal Windows 10 11 editions. Now the next step is to install DirectX. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can see DirectX, so install DirectX, click on download and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, accept, next, uncheck install Bing bar, I don't want it, so next, and let the installation complete. Now once the installation is complete, then restart your computer. Now launch the game. Now the next step is to disable Steam overlay or GOG overlay. Now if you're using Steam, go to Steam, make a right click on the game. This is just an example. Go to properties and then uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in game. Also if you're using GOG, same way, uncheck GOG overlay and then launch the game. Also close all the overlay applications. So if you have Discord running, close Discord. If you have GeForce Experience running, close GeForce Experience. So close all the overclocking application as well. Now if you have MSI Afterburner running, close MSI Afterburner. If you have RivaTuner running, close RivaTuner. So close all the overclocking application. Also perform clean boot. For this, type in msconfig in Windows search box, or you can simply type in system configuration. Type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services, and then click on disable all. In my case this is grayed out. I already did it. In your case this would be highlighted. So put a check over here and then click on disable all, then click on apply, click on OK, and then restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to update Windows to the latest version. For this, open Windows settings, go to update and security or Windows update, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to verify the game files. For this, go to Steam, make a right click on the Scorn game, select properties, go to the local files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files and then launch the game. Next step is to try window mode and lower down graphics settings. So if you are able to launch the game, try window mode and lower down graphics settings. Now go to settings, then go to video. Now over here select window mode. Now also lower down resolution. So if this is set to 4K, you can try 1920 into 1080p, or you can even lower down more. Also turn off this fidelity effects, turn off motion blur, also turn off VSync, set the FPS at 60. Now if overall quality is set to high or custom, you can try high, you can try medium, or even go for low quality. Now apply the settings and then check the performance. Now the next step is to disconnect multiple monitors. So if you have multiple monitors set up, try launching the game on single monitor, disconnect multiple monitor. Also if you have these devices connected, disconnect these devices. And also if you have these software running, close these software. So make sure only the game and the Steam is running and then check. Also if you have undervolted your hardware, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drive. So you can uninstall the game. Now after you uninstall it, delete the game folder from the game installation folder and then restart your computer and then reinstall the game to different drive. So if you have another SSD or HDD, try installing the game to different drive and then check. Now next step is for Xbox Game Pass user. Make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right over here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is on. Also make sure set time zone automatically is on. Now click on sync now. And now go to region and make sure right country is selected over here. Also make sure that you are logged in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So use the same login information on Microsoft Store and on Xbox app. So on the top right over here you can see, top left here you can see your profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, then click on sign in, and select the right account over here. Now once you have the right account on Xbox app, open Microsoft Store. Top right here you can see profile icon, click on it, click on sign out, sign in, select the right account, the same account which you have selected on Xbox app. It will be asking for your PIN or password, so enter your PIN or password over here. Now once you are logged in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app, now launch the game. Next step is to verify and repair. Now for this, go to Xbox app. Now over here you will find Scorn on the left hand side. Click on this three dot over here and then click on manage. Now go to files. Now click on verify and repair and then click on yes, and after the verification launch the game. Next step is to create a desktop shortcut and launch the game as an administrator. Now for this, again click on this Scorn and then click on this three dots and then click on create desktop shortcut. Click on it. Now go to desktop, make a right click on the shortcut and then click on run as administrator. So click on run as administrator and then check. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. So for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, now copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will open Microsoft Store on your computer and you will see install option to install gaming services. Click on install, click on yes to allow and let the download complete. Once gaming services is installed, now launch the game. Next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is also provided in the video description. Copy it, type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time and during this process you will see some errors in red color. So if you see any errors in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Once done, now launch the game. This will install all the Windows default apps on your computer. Now still you are facing the problem, then run the game on dedicated graphic card. Again type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings. Now over here select Microsoft Store app. So over here you can see desktop app is selected. Select Microsoft Store app and then click on select an app and find the Scorn game. Over here you can see Scorn. Now select it, now click on add. Now once the game is added over here, now click on options, select high performance, now click on save. Now launch the game. Next step is to install all updates in Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. On the bottom left here you can see library, click on library and then over here you will see an option get updates. Click on get updates. Once all the updates are installed, now launch the game. Next step is to repair and reset the game. Now again open Windows settings and then go to apps and then go to apps and features. Now find the Scorn game in the list. Now once you find the game, in Windows 11 click on it. In Windows 11 you will find three dots in front of it. Click on three dot and then click on advanced option. So go to advanced option and then over here you will see the repair option. Click on repair and after the repair launch the game. Still you are facing the problem, you can perform reset. So click on reset, reset. Now once the reset is done, now launch the game. Now once you perform reset and when you open Xbox app, you will see install option for the game. So over here you will see install option once you perform reset. In that case you can close Xbox app. So just quit Xbox app, launch Xbox app once again and then find Scorn and then you will see the play option. Now the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game if nothing works. So you can simply uninstall the game and then delete the game folder. Simply uninstall the game, then restart your computer and then try installing the game to different drive and then check. So one of the steps should help you to get the game running on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.